How to install Matplotlib on OS X. I want to install Matplotlib on OS X, if possible, using homebrew. I installed Python 2.7.1 using brew install Python. I modified my path to use it. I installed pip using brew install pip. I installed NumberPy 1.5.1 using pip install NumberPy. I installed CP 0.8.0 using pip install CP. This is where it gets hairy. Pip install Matplotlib will fetch the wrong version of Matplotlib, which is incompatible with the recent version of NumberPy. The solution is to fetch the correct version of Matplotlib manually. But that version fails to compile since it can't find the free type headers. In file included from src/ft2font.cpp1 src/ft2font.h14:22 error ft2build.h no such file or directory. These headers are actually installed in /usr/x11/include as part of the X11 developer tools. So, how can I make Matplotlib use these headers?
The simple answer is, you need to have package info installed or else setup.py won't be able to find installed libraries.
The problem is that when the C extensions are compiled, required headers files aren't in the search path. And when they're being linked, shared libraries aren't in the search path either. The following worked for me.
I followed this page's instructions. I got stuck at. Then I did. Checked my installation by typing in terminal. I got version 1.1.0, as of this writing, ran path.
Alternatively, you could use macports or finc. With macports this would be, which resolves the dependencies automatically. Personally I used macports to install Python 2.7 with Matplotlib and it seems to works fine on 10.7. Finc is in the process of upgrading their internals to work with the new 10.7 build system.
If you want support to channel, please consider looking and subscribing.